Did you know that over 50% of US employees have trouble locating documents and find document sharing a task? Yes, you heard it right. Not only it hampers the task at hand, but also makes the entire process of information gathering quite cumbersome. This results in poor employee experience. Besides affecting the productivity and performance of your workforce, it also creates a dent in your growth curve. Empowering employees with self-help by creating an internal knowledge base is the best solution to this problem. But what exactly is an internal knowledge base? An internal knowledge base is a cloud-based knowledge management system that facilitates easy access to business knowledge. Think of it as an online repository containing training docs, process docs, policies and handbooks, product information, and so on. Sometimes it's easy to start with the end in mind, so let's take a quick look at some knowledge base examples. You can create an employee handbook, a company wiki, training manual, or different internal knowledge bases for your support staff, sales team, and other departments. A knowledge-based software helps you create, manage, and share knowledge easily, and make it accessible for employees anytime and anywhere. Let's now look at some of the key benefits of an internal knowledge base. An internal knowledge base helps you build knowledge and share it instantly with your employees. For example, with ProProfs, you can write from scratch or choose from one of our stunning, ready-to-use templates. You can add images and videos to keep your knowledge base engaging. Add your brand name, logo, fonts, and themes to customize it as you want. Next comes collaboration. You can bring your employees closer by assigning them roles such as contributor, editor, administrator, and viewer. Access control is another important feature. Your internal knowledge base can also be access controlled by assigning users to teams and ensuring they only get access to content based on their role. For example, only the sales team can access the sales KB, while everyone can access Employee Handbook. Detailed reports give you a sneak peek into the overall performance of your content. Leverage this information to improve your knowledge base. Long story short, an internal knowledge base provides your employees with consistent guidance. No more worries about employee productivity. Sign up for ProProfs today and create your first internal knowledge base for free. We are here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base.